Question. Horizontal drainage pipe shall be run in practical alignment and at the uniform slope between the manhole of not less than. Answer. 20 mm per meter or 2%. Question. It shall be unlawful for any person to cause, suffer, or permit the disposal of seaweeds, human excrement, or other wastewater in any place or manner, except through and by means of approved. Answer. Excreta and storm drainage system. Question. Any such pipe or piping larger in diameter and may have a slope of 10 mm or 1% provided it is first approved by administrative authority. Answer. Piping 102 mm. Question. Changes in direction of drainage piping shall be made by the use of approved pipe fitting and shall be of the angle presented by 22 and 1/2 degrees bend, 45 degrees bend, and 60 degrees bend or other approved fitting of. Answer. Longer sweeps. Question. Horizontal drainage line connecting to a vertical stack shall enter through. Answer. 45 degrees or 60 degrees Y branches, combination Y, and 1/8 bend branches. Sanitary or other approved fitting of longer sweeps. Question. No fitting having more than an inlet at the same level shall be used unless such fitting is constructed. Answer. 1 inlet. Question. Vertical installation of double sanitary tees may be used when the barrel of the fitting is at least blank pipe sizes larger than the larger side inlet. Answer. 2 pipe. Question. Vertical drainage line connecting to horizontal drainage line shall enter through blank branches or other approved fitting of longer sweeps. Answer. 45 degree. Question. 60-degree branches or offset may be used only when installed in. Answer. True vertical position. Question. Waste detrimental to the public sewer system or to the functioning of the sewage treatment plant shall be blank and blank as found necessary as directed by administrative authority or other authorities having jurisdiction. Answer. Treated and disposed. Question. Sewage or other waste from the plumbing system which may be deleterious to the surface or subsurface waters shall not be blank into the ground or into any waterway unless first rendered innocuous through subjection to some acceptable form of treatment. Answer. Discharge. Question. It shall be blank to conceal cracks, holes, or other imperfection in materials by welding, brazing, or soldering the defect or by using therein or thereon any paint, wax, tar, or other sealing or repair agent. Answer. Unlawful. Question. No blank fitting for lead cock joint in vertical position, single or double T-branch, single or double top T-branch, side inlet quarter bend, running thread, band, or saddle shall be used as drainage fitting? Answer: double hub. Question: no drainage or bent piping shall be drilled or tapped for making connection thereto, and no cast iron or soil pipe shall be. Answer: threaded. Question: no waste connection shall be made to blank or stub of a water closet or similar fixtures. Answer: closet bend. Question: where one building stand in the rear of another building on the interior lot, and no private sewer line is available, nor can be constructed to the rear building to an adjoining court, yard, or driveway. The building drain from the front building may be extended to the rear building if the existing size is adequate for both building and gravity flow is possible. Question: no bent pipe shall be used as the soil or waste pipe, nor shall any soil or waste pipe be used as a bent pipe. Also, a single drainage and venting system with blank branch lines are prohibited. Answer: unvented. Question: all piping passing under or through wall shall be protected from breakage with embedded. Answer: metal pipe slabs. Question: the enlargement of blank closet bend or stub to 102 diameter shall not be considered as an obstruction. Answer: 76 Question: all pipes passing through or under cinder or other corrosive material shall be protected from external corrosion by encasing same with blank sheet or in other approved manner. Answer: polyethylene sheet. Question: the bottom of all pipe trenches deeper than the footing of any adjacent building or structure, and parallel to it must at least blank degrees therefrom, unless permission is granted by the administrative authority. Answer: 45 degrees. Question: void between pipes and slabs through concrete floors in the ground shall be appropriately sealed with. Answer: bitumen. Question: bill and spigot and habless pipe shall be supported at every. Answer: every story or closer. Question: no building sewer or other drainage piping or part thereof constructed of materials other than the approved for use under within the building shall be installed under or within 0.6 meter of any building or structure, nor less than blank meter below the finished ground surface. Answer: 0.3 meters. Question: copper tubing shall be supported at its story or at maximum interval of blank meters on a center. Answer: 3 meters. Question: lead pipe shall be supported at interval not exceeding blank meters at the center with the rigid vertical back up. Answer: 1.2 meters. Question: iron pipe size or IPS shall be supported at not less than every blank. Answer: every other story height. Question. Where joint occurs, suspended cast iron soil pipe shall be supported at not more than 1.5 meters interval, except that the pipe exceeding 1.5 meters length may be supported at not more than blank meters interval. Answer: 3 meters interval. Question. Plastic pipe shall be supported at every blank meter interval. Answer: 1 meter interval. Question. Support shall be adequate to maintain alignment and to prevent sagging and shall be placed within blank meter of the hub or joint. Answer: 0.45 meters. Question. Screwed pipe IPS except as provided in other section of this code shall be supported at approximately blank meters interval for the piping 19 mm diameter and smaller, and blank meters interval for the piping 25 mm and larger in diameter. Answer: 3 meters interval for 19 mm diameter and 3.6 meters interval for 25 mm diameter. Question. Copper tubing shall be supported at approximately blank meters interval for piping 38 diameter and smaller, and blank meters interval for piping 51 mm and larger in diameter. Answer: 1.8 meter interval for piping 38 mm and 3 meters interval for piping 51 mm. Question. Plastic tube shall be supported by stiff metal or wood backing with hangers in its entire length for the small size tubing up to blank mm diameter and without backing, but with spaced metal hanger at approved spacing for the larger size tubing. Answer: 38 mm diameter. Question. Lead pipe shall be supported by stiff metal or wooden backing for its blank with hangers properly spaced. Answer: entire length. Question. Restaurant kitchen and other special use sink may be made of approved type banderized and galvanized sheet steel of not less than gauge number. Answer: gauge number 16 US BNS or 1.6 mm thick. Question. Water closet bowl for public use shall be blank type, equipped with open front seat. Answer: elongated bowl types. Question. The strainers serving shower drain shall have the waterway equivalent to the area of the blank, meaning the sum of all the areas of the perforation of the strainer is equivalent to the outlet area. Answer: tailpiece. Question. Continuous ways and fixtures. Tailpiece shall be constructed from the material specified on Table 14-4 of this code for drainage piping, provided however that such connection where exposed or accessible may be of seamless drawn brass not less than blank millimeter in thickness. Answer: gauge number 20 B and S or 0.8 mm in thickness. Question. Continuous ways and fixtures tailpiece shall be constructed from the material specified on Table 14-4 of this code for drainage piping, provided however that such connection, where exposed or accessible, may be of seamless brown question. It shall not be installed inside public toilet rooms. Answer. Drinking fountains. Question. Use of water closet having invincible seal or unventilated space, or having wall, which are not truly washed out at its discharge, shall be blank. Answer. Prohibited. Question. Baptistries, ornamental and lily pond, aquaria, ornamental fountain, basin, and similar construction, when provided with water supplies connected to potable water supply line, shall be protected from. Answer. Back siphonage. Question. No dry or chemical closet or toilet shall be installed in any building for human habitation unless first approved by blank or administrative authority. Answer. Health officer. Question. Specialties requiring water supply and waste discharge connection shall be submitted for approval of the blank. Answer. Administrative authority.